Hi, in this video I'll be demonstrating how to set up an FTP server using FileZilla. Now what does FTP stand for and what is FTP? Basically, FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It is a network protocol used to transfer data from one computer to another through a network such as the internet. So let's say, for example, if you are at a friend's house or in another country and you need a file, picture, or even a song from your computer. With the use of an FTP server, you're able to access the files. First, you need to download FileZilla and install it. So in your browser, type in FileZilla. Click on server download and it will take you to a page. Here you will see different versions of Windows are supported along with their bit. Next, click on download now. And the pop-up box for your download should come up shortly. And click on save file. I've already downloaded it and installed FileZilla. However, I will show how to install it. So I'm just going to click cancel. I'm going to go to your location where the file was saved, double click it. Yes. Click on I agree. Leave everything as default, click next. Here is the location where the folder will be saved, click next. Leave everything as default, click next, and click install. As mentioned before, I already installed it, so I'll click cancel. I'm gonna go to FileZilla and under server address, if this is the first time you're using FileZilla, you may not see the loopback address of 127.0.0.1, so you can enter that, then click OK. Next, I'm gonna add a user, so I'm just gonna go to edit, users. I'm gonna remove this user I have. I'm gonna click add and enter a name. Click OK. Check the password box, enter password, and then click on shared folders, then click on add, and by clicking on that, this allows the user to access the folder selected. So I'm just going to click on pictures and I'm going to share the Grumpy Cat folder. Click OK, then click under files, read is set as default, and under directories, by default the user is able to list directories and list subdirectories. So in order to give the user further permission, you can check write and delete under files, and under directories you can check create and delete, and click on OK. So to access FTP server inside of a network, you need to know your IP address. So you go to command prompt and type ipconfig to get your IP address, and then click enter. And under IP version 4 you see your IP address. Next, you can go to your browser and in the address bar type in FTP : 2/ and then your IP address, then colon and 21, then click enter. Enter the name that you created of the user, then the password, click OK. And here's the folder that I shared with all the pictures and all the subdirectories. I'm just going to click on one and you're able to see the picture. So let's say you want to access FTP server outside the network. In your browser you'll type in IP chicken. Then you can click on the link and it will take you to the page where you will see your public address. Then in your address bar you type in FTP:2/ and paste the public IP that you got, followed by :21. And this brings me to the end of setting up an FTP server. Thank you for watching.